What's up guys, this is Wajahat Khan from InnoRative, and today I'm going to show you a solution for a ringer problem on your iPhone. So if your iPhone is not ringing, I'm going to show you a solution for it. So first thing that you need to check on your iPhone is to see if this button here is on the top or at bottom. If I push it down, your phone won't gonna ring. So make sure it is on the top. And another thing that you wanna look on your phone is do not disturb mode is off. So for that, go to settings and then scroll down to see do not disturb mode and see if that is turned on. Just turn it off. You can also do that by swiping up in the menu and see if this do not disturb mode is on. Just tap on that and it will turn off. Hopefully it will solve your issue and your phone will ring. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please feel free to ask and don't forget to subscribe.